machine is cool! Yeah, let's play, Emma. Okay! I want the cola, Emma. Okay, Jenny, let me do it for you. First, you press the button. Then you put the coin in. And press the check. Huh? The vending machine doesn't work, Jenny. What should we do? Don't worry, Emma. Let me check. Oh, it says 50 cents, so you need to put one more coin in. Okay, Jenny. Wow! Here's your cola, Jenny. Thank you, Emma. Look, the cola is so cool. Now it's my turn, Emma. What do you want? If Jenny got cola, I think I get water. Okay, Emma, I will do it now. Thank you.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Auntie Joyce.
Huh? What are you guys doing? This is my vending machine.
Huh? Really? This is your vending machine? We're so sorry.
That's okay, guys, but remember, you have to ask others before you play with your toys, okay?
Okay, Auntie Joyce. We will remember. Here's your vending machine.
Thank you.
Emma, let's color. Okay.
I actually got this as a gift for Jenny and Emma, but they don't know it's a surprise. I'm gonna give it to them after they do their homework. Awesome! Oh no! The vending machine is broken, guys. What should I do? Oh, I have an idea. I'll go buy a new one.
Awesome. I'm done, Emma. Look. Wow, I'm done too, Jenny. What should we do next? I don't know. I'm so bored. Me too. I got an idea, Jenny. Let's go to Uncle K's store and buy a new vending machine. That's a good idea, but we don't have money. Don't worry, Jenny. Check this out. Wow! Where did you get those coins, Emma? This is my saving money. We can use it to buy the vending machine. Come on, Emma, let's buy the vending machine. Okay. Let's go. Awesome. Hi, Uncle K.
Hi! Welcome to my store. How may I help you today, guys?
We want a vending machine. Do you have it, Uncle?
Vending machine? Is that the one that Auntie Joyce is holding?
Yeah, Uncle K. We're looking for that one.
But I only have one left.
Really, Uncle? Jenny, let's ask Auntie if we could buy the vending machine. Okay. Let's go, Jenny. Okay. Auntie, we want to buy the vending machine. Yeah.
Sorry, guys, but I have decided to buy it already.
Huh? It's me. We can't buy it. Let's go home, Jenny. Okay. Bye, Auntie Joyce.
Bye, guys.
Uncle K, can you check this out for me, please?
No problem, Auntie. $10, please.
Okay, no problem. Here you go, Uncle.
Thank you. Auntie, why you buy this toy again? I think you have it already.
I'm buying this one because my other one broke and I can't fix it.
Oh, really? I'm a toy fixer. I think I can help you.
Oh, thank you, Uncle K.
Did you bring it with you?
Oh, yeah, I did. It's right here, but it doesn't work. Look.
Don't worry. Give it to me. I will fix it.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, let me see. I need the hammer.
Wow, Uncle K is so professional, guys.
I think I'm done. Let me try it.
Okay, Uncle.
Press this. Put the coin in. And then press this. Wow, it's worked!
Thank you, Uncle. How much is it?
Just $5.
$5? Here's your money.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm so bored. What should we do, Jenny? I don't know.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Auntie Joyce.
Huh? Why do you guys look so bored?
We're bored because we have no toys to play. Yeah, we don't have any toys to play with.
Did you guys finish your homework?
Yeah, we did.
Since you guys finished everything, I'll give you guys 2 vending machines.
Wow, really, Auntie? Thank you.
No problem, guys. Let's play.
Okay. Wow, thank you, Auntie.
Let's open it, guys.
Okay, Auntie Joyce. What do you want to drink, Auntie Joyce? mixed berry, cola, water, and apple juice.
I would like a mixed berries from Emma and an apple juice from Jenny, please.
No problem, Auntie. Let me go first, Jenny. Okay. Now it's my turn now, Emma. First I click this button. Then I put the coins in here. And I click the button.
Wow, that's so cool. Thank you, guys. Do you guys like our vending machine? If you do, give us a comment.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoy our show. Please remember, subscribe our channel and click the bell button.
See you next time.
Bye. Watch me, Uncle John.
Come here.